FitRent on Cloud. Welcome to FitRent Cloud Solution that now you are going to see in Cloud Launchpad. Due to its cloud environment, the solution is easy to use and is quickly implemented with updates being continuously installed without intensive IT efforts or downtime. This is our FitRent contract app. Rental type is selected on the first screen, then you can move to the Customer Info tab. An existing customer in the system can be selected, or there is an option to choose for a one-time customer. After clicking One-Time Customer button, you can enter customer name, address, and other details in this pop-up. Let's select an existing customer. Then rental start and end dates can be updated from here. The next step is items and equipment to be rented is selected from here. In this tab, you can add multiple equipment, or not just equipment, but you can also add attachments, consumables, spare parts, or service materials, whatever your customer is demanding. In here, based on the rental start and end dates, the system picks the best price for the customer. So the system notices that it is not daily, not weekly, but a monthly pricing rate that needs to be picked. There's an option to set up campaign prices or discounts according to your needs. For example, customer-based, equipment-based, or time-dependent. And you can also enter an agreed price manually. Rental days are calculated automatically by the system and include weekend and include holiday options can be selected if needed. Let's look at the item details. There are equipment data and pricing details in here. Also, the system automatically calculates the total agreed hours, and allowed free overusage can be entered. In this section, delivery and pickup options can be selected, and these amounts will also be charged to the customer. And billing on the first or last invoice options are also available in here. There is a billing plan only for this item in here, and pricing details can also be checked in this section. And lastly, attachments can be added for this item in the section by using the plus button. After that, we move to the Billing Plan tab, and Cycle Billing Plan can be displayed for all items, like rental periods, billing date, and amount. Then we go to the Summary tab. In Pricing Details field, manual discount or surcharge amount can be entered, and in the Contract Details field, currency, external reference, priority, and order reason can also be entered. Let's save our contract like this, and then we can print it in order to send it to the customer. Attachment can also be added in this tab on header level. After approvals, delivery, and checkout processes, which are integrated with the logistics module, can be initialized. Status of the contract changed as Send to Delivery, and then the Checkout tab opens. Delivery number is generated automatically, and by pressing Checkout button, the equipment is issued from the stock. At the end of the rental period, rental return and check-in processes begin. We can create the return document from our rental contract by clicking the Create Return button and select the items to return. Unlike the contract, there is an actual return date field, And if the equipment returns early or late, it can be chosen from here. Then we can move on to return items, and we can add materials also at this stage. For example, if the equipment comes back dirty, we can add service material for washing and cleaning. And in the item details, there is overusage details. Equipment return value, SMU, is entered in this section, and if there is an overusage, the fee is calculated automatically, and it can also be charged to the customer in final billing. After that, in order to start check-in process, status is changed to direct return, and then check-in tab opens. Goods receipt can be done by pressing check-in button.